2008 C6060, 16,850 miles, rebuild number 2 to Performance. MGW shifter, brand new factory shift rod, 5th gear issues, condom off. Just sticks hard. Something is wrong with that 5th, 6th reverse synchro. Gets mashed up right there. That's reverse. And that's where 5th should be. You can see it doesn't go into 5th at all. Goes into 3rd, 4th, 1st, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. No 5th. 6th, no 5th. You can feel like it wants to go in. It's hitting something, like a wall. Then it just gets all mashed up. There we go. Reverse. Drop the transmission again, we'll inspect further, figure out what's going on.